Have you ever wondered about the secrets our planet holds? From the depths of the oceans to the heights of the atmosphere, Earth is a treasure trove of astonishing facts waiting to be uncovered. Today, we'll embark on a journey to explore 10 mind-blowing facts about Earth that you probably never knew. So let's dive into the wonders of our incredible planet. Let's begin our exploration with the very origins of our planet's existence. Our journey begins with a question that has fascinated scientists for centuries. How old is our planet? Earth is approximately 4.5 billion years old, determined through the study of ancient rocks and meteorites. By examining the decay of radioactive isotopes in these ancient samples, scientists have pinpointed the age of our planet with remarkable accuracy. This incredible discovery sheds light on Earth's formative years, a time when the planet was a molten mass bombarded by celestial debris. Over millions of years, it cooled and solidified, giving rise to the diverse and vibrant world we inhabit today. The age of Earth is not just a number. It represents the vast expanse of time that has allowed life to evolve and flourish. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, covers approximately 71% of Earth's surface. This vast expanse of oceans, seas, and other water bodies plays a crucial role in sustaining life and regulating the planet's climate. The oceans, in particular, are a treasure trove of biodiversity, home to countless species that thrive in its depths. From the tiniest plankton to the largest whales, the marine ecosystem is a complex and interconnected web of life. Freshwater sources such as rivers, lakes, and aquifers are vital for human survival, providing drinking water, irrigation for crops, and habitats for diverse ecosystems. The water cycle, a continuous process of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, ensures the distribution and renewal of this precious resource. The significance of Earth's water bodies cannot be overstated. The Earth's atmosphere is a complex and multi-layered envelope of gases that surrounds our planet, providing the air we breathe. It plays a crucial role in sustaining life and maintaining the planet's climate, and protecting us from the harsh conditions of space. The troposphere is the lowest layer, extending up to about 12 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This layer contains approximately 75% of the atmosphere's mass and is where all weather phenomena occur. This is where weather occurs, with clouds, rain, and wind shaping our daily experiences. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer, which is crucial for absorbing and scattering ultraviolet solar radiation. This layer protects life on Earth from harmful UV rays. Next is the mesosphere, where temperatures decrease with altitude, and it is the region where meteors burn up, creating spectacular shooting stars. The mesosphere is a fascinating layer, often overlooked, but essential in protecting the Earth from meteoroids. Above this is the thermosphere, characterized by high temperatures due to the absorption of solar radiation. This layer is also where the auroras occur, creating mesmerizing displays of light. The exosphere is the outermost layer, gradually transitioning into the vacuum of space. It is the boundary where Earth's atmosphere meets outer space, and it is where satellites orbit the planet. Chapter 4: Plate Tectonics. The Earth's surface is a dynamic and ever-shifting mosaic of tectonic plates that glide over the molten mantle beneath. This process, known as plate tectonics, is responsible for the formation of continents, mountains, and ocean basins, as well as the occurrence of earthquakes and volcanic activity. The Earth's crust is divided into several large and small plates that fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. When plates collide, they can form towering mountain ranges like the Himalayas. When they pull apart, they create rift valleys and mid-ocean ridges. Volcanic activity and earthquakes are dramatic consequences of plate tectonics, shaping the landscape and providing valuable insights into the Earth's interior. The study of plate tectonics has revolutionized our understanding of Earth's geology. Chapter 5: Biodiversity. Earth's biodiversity is one of its most remarkable features, a testament to the planet's ability to support an astonishing variety of life forms. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, every ecosystem on Earth is teeming with unique species adapted to their environments. The Amazon rainforest, for example, is home to approximately 10% of the world's known species, including countless plants, insects, birds, and mammals. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, support an incredible array of marine life, from colorful fish to larger predators like sharks and rays. However, Earth's biodiversity is under threat from human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change. Protecting biodiversity is essential not only for the health of ecosystems, but also for the well-being of humanity. Chapter 6. Magnetic Field. The Earth's magnetic field is an invisible shield that plays a crucial role in protecting our planet from the harmful effects of solar radiation. This magnetic shield deflects charged particles from the sun, preventing them from stripping away the atmosphere and causing severe damage to living organisms. Generated by the movement of molten iron in the Earth's outer core, this magnetic field extends from the planet's interior out into space, creating a protective bubble known as the magnetosphere. The dynamic nature of this molten iron generates electric currents, which in turn produce the magnetic field. One of the most visible manifestations of the Earth's magnetic field is the auroras, or northern and southern lights. These stunning light displays occur when solar wind particles collide with gases in the Earth's atmosphere, creating vibrant colors in the sky. The magnetic field also plays a critical role in navigation. Compasses, which have been used for centuries, rely on the Earth's magnetic field to point towards the magnetic north, aiding explorers and sailors in their journeys. Many species, including birds and sea turtles, rely on it to navigate during migration. These animals have an innate ability to sense the magnetic field, allowing them to travel vast distances with remarkable accuracy. The Earth's magnetic field undergoes continuous changes, including periodic reversals where the magnetic north and south poles switch places. These geomagnetic reversals have occurred many times throughout Earth's history and are a subject of ongoing scientific research. Understanding the Earth's magnetic field is essential for both scientific research and practical applications. By studying it, scientists can gain insights into the Earth's interior, predict space weather events, and develop technologies that rely on magnetic fields. Chapter 7. Climate Zones. The Earth is home to a diverse array of climate zones, each characterized by distinct weather patterns, temperatures, and precipitation levels. The tropical zone, located near the equator, is known for its warm temperatures and high levels of rainfall, home to lush rainforests and diverse ecosystems. In contrast, the polar zones, located near the poles, are characterized by frigid temperatures and ice-covered landscapes, supporting unique species adapted to the extreme cold. Between these extremes lie the temperate zones, which experience moderate temperatures and distinct seasonal changes, home to a variety of ecosystems. The arid and semi-arid zones, characterized by low precipitation levels, include deserts and drylands, rich in biodiversity and unique beauty. Each climate zone on Earth contributes to the planet's overall diversity and ecological balance. Chapter 8. Natural Resources. Earth is endowed with a wealth of natural resources that sustain life and fuel human civilization. These resources, including minerals, fossil fuels, water, and forests, are essential for our daily lives and economic development. However, the sustainable management of these resources is crucial to ensure their availability for future generations. Minerals and fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, are extracted from the Earth's crust and used for energy production, manufacturing, and transportation. Water is another vital resource, essential for drinking, agriculture, and industry. Freshwater sources are finite and unevenly distributed across the globe. Sustainable management of natural resources involves balancing the needs of human development with the protection of the environment. Chapter 9. Human impact. Human activities have a profound impact on the Earth's environment, shaping landscapes, altering ecosystems, and influencing the planet's climate. From the sprawling urban areas to the deforested regions, our footprint is visible everywhere. The transformation of natural landscapes into urban and agricultural areas has far-reaching consequences. One of the most pressing issues is climate change, driven by the release of greenhouse gases from burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and other activities. The melting ice caps and the increase in extreme weather events are stark reminders of the urgency of this crisis. The more we emit, the more we alter the delicate balance of our planet's climate. Pollution is another major concern, affecting air, water, and soil quality. The smog over cities, the contamination of waterways, and the degradation of soil in industrial areas are all evidence of the pervasive nature of pollution. These pollutants not only harm the environment, but also pose significant health risks to humans and wildlife. Industrial activities, agriculture, and waste disposal contribute to the contamination of natural resources. Factories releasing smoke, large-scale farming operations using pesticides, and landfills overflowing with trash all play a part in this contamination. The cumulative effect of these activities is a significant degradation of our natural environment. Habitat destruction and biodiversity loss are also significant impacts of human activities. The clearing of forests, the endangerment of species, and the destruction of natural habitats disrupt ecosystems and lead to a loss of biodiversity. This loss weakens the resilience of ecosystems and reduces their ability to provide essential services. Urbanization, agriculture, and infrastructure development lead to the fragmentation and degradation of natural habitats. Expanding cities, vast agricultural fields, and roads or pipelines cutting through forests all contribute to this fragmentation. This not only affects wildlife, but also disrupts the natural processes that sustain life on Earth. Conservation efforts such as protected areas, habitat restoration, and sustainable land use planning are essential to preserve biodiversity. These initiatives help to restore damaged ecosystems, protect endangered species, and promote sustainable practices that reduce our impact on the environment. By adopting sustainable practices and making conscious choices, we can mitigate our impact and ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Renewable energy installations, recycling efforts, and sustainable farming practices are just a few examples of how we can make a positive difference. It is our responsibility to act now and protect the Earth for those who come after us. Chapter 10. Earth's Moon. The Earth's moon is a constant companion, influencing various natural phenomena and playing a crucial role in the stability of our planet. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the tides, the rhythmic rise and fall of sea levels that occur twice a day. This gravitational interaction also helps stabilize the Earth's axial tilt, contributing to the regularity of seasons.